I'm going to demonstrate a quick way to glue up solid wood panels. First, what we do is lay our boards out and then make sure we've got opposing grain, or grains going in the opposite direction. Then we mark the mating edges. Okay. Then we joint one face on each board. Then take that and joint one edge on each piece. And then what we'll do is take this and glue this together. Okay, now we've got them over in the clamps. Okay, we've got one edge jointed, squared off of this face on each piece. Now we're going to glue this together. And when we glue this together, we feel underneath and make sure the surfaces are even. And we just put a pencil-sized bead right down the middle. And we squish it together and distribute the glue. And we're going to feel underneath and make sure that's even on the bottom. And we're perfect. Okay, now once this is dry, we'll go just scrape our glue off. And then what we in effect have is one solid wide panel, all flush on the bottom. And then as long as this is less than our planer width, we can just run this right through the planer as one solid board.